Let's compare the fractions 3/10 versus 3/20. Now remember, when you're dealing with a fraction, you start with one whole. Let's call this one a cake. So we've got one whole cake here, and it's the same on the left and the right when you start out with it. We use the numerator and denominator to figure out what to do with that fraction. The numerator is how many pieces you actually get. So you're going to get 3 pieces of cake either way. All right. And then let's look at the denominator. The denominator helps you see what size the pieces will be, because it's how many people you have to share with. So with 3/10, you're going to take that cake and split it into 10 pieces. With 3/20, you're going to take that cake and split it into 20 pieces. Then you're going to take 3 of those pieces on each side. So I want you just to think to yourself, when you split it up, which cake is going to have bigger pieces and which cake is going to have smaller pieces? The 10 or the 20? This is going to be smaller pieces because you don't have to share with as many people. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is what that cake looks like if it's split into 10. So there are exactly 10 pieces. Let's look at 3/20. This is what it looks like if you have to split this cake into 20. And it makes sense. If you have 20 people at your birthday party and they're all sharing the same cake, you need to make sure everyone gets a slice. So you're going to cut them pretty small. If you have 10 people at your birthday party, that's still a lot of people, but you're at least going to get more cake than these guys over here. So the denominator is how many people you have to share with. So if you're looking for a big piece of cake, do you want a big denominator or a small denominator? You want a small denominator for a bigger piece. So since the numerators are the same, the denominators really tell us that this is bigger fraction because the pieces are smaller. You're going to get 3 pieces either way. So let's go ahead and fill that in. So on the left here, you're getting 3 of these. We can fill in any 3, but that's what that piece looks like. And on the right here, you're going to get 3 of these, but the pieces are tiny because the denominator is so big. So 3/10 is the bigger fraction. Now we can draw our alligator or our Pac-Man. Looks like this. And you want the mouth to be opening towards the bigger fraction. So we're going to draw it like this.